Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and I have some wonderful news that many of you are going to be happy to hear. These darling pillows are part of our Country Caboodle Pillow Wrap Cover Kit Club. Leanne Anderson, a very popular designer, has come up with these darling projects, one for every month of the year. The wrap comes off, it wraps around a pillow form, which, by the way, when you're in our club, you get with your first shipment that free pillow made. We had them made just for us. The good news is, with so many people wanting to be in that club and it sold out very quickly, we reached out to Leanne and her team and we said, could you possibly grant the wishes of so many customers, and maybe you aren't even on that waiting list but would love to be part of our club. And somehow the skies parted and we are blessed to have more kits. What's that mean for you? A round 2 is signing up right now. So be sure you head over to the website the moment you're done watching this to grab your spot in this club. And you can see there's stuff on the table. The thread set is a great option. Be sure to check that out and pick that up. Reserve that one as well. These are the other notions on the table. And hey, if you want to see how these are made, Tammy did a great job of stepping us through how do you put these together? How do we do that pre-fused laser cut applique? How do we add the rickrack and basically build the pillow form and everything? So if you're curious, you want to check that out, do it quickly because this is going to sell out again, we think within a matter of days. So we're thrilled. Thank you to Leanne and her team. We know you're working some extra hours to make this happen for our amazing customers. So I'm super excited to grant so many wishes, a lot of answered prayer. Grab your spot in the club, your thread set, any other notions you might need. I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.